it is time Sarkodie will take, the risk. And Blanco is doing the Legon Sports Stadium, Stoneboy, then they do stadium and things. Sarkodie can do stadium. You did stadium in Kumasi. You should do stadium in Accra because the Grand Arena, like, I mean, a horse, but a hormone so for Sarkodie. It not be big for Sarkodie. The kind of crowd where they will come, it not be good for Sarkodie. So at some point, Sark for factor this into consideration when he is planning Rapaholic, especially in Accra. It's stressful. I saw the people moving like that, so that the whole place is crowded. And you see, when many people congregate at a place, and even there's AC, the AC they tend to overpower because bro, the heat there self be crazy. So make we think about that because Sarkodie, I have argued that Grand Arena need dome this man. Your man for move past him. But do your stadium show and let us bam. You did it in Kumasi. We go do it in Accra. You are Sarkodie. Your people will come. You're the